Hi everyone. Today we are here to present our project Akinator Lite, a web-based guessing game powered by a smart blend of deterministic logic and Bayes reasoning. We set out with a few clear goals. Build game logic that can deduce character based on features. Combine rule-based filtering with probabilistic learning. Apply concepts we have learned in the class in a creative and interactive way. Create a self-improving game that learns from user feedback. You might be familiar with Akinator, the online genie that guesses character you think of. We thought, why not make a lightweight version that not only fun but also smarter each time you play? So we built Akinator Lite using Python and Streamlit with the goal of making a game that fast, beginner friendly, and even a little educational for both user and AI. Here's how the game works. You start by picking a character mentally from the visual grid. The app then asks you up to 7 yes or no questions. Behind the scene, the system uses a hybrid approach. Rule-based filtering eliminates character based on your answers. Bayesian reasoning helps rank the most probable candidate. By the end of the game, you make the best guess, and if it's wrong, you learn from that. Behind the scene, our UI is built with Streamlit running locally for easy sharing. The game logic uses Python, combining naive Bayes for probability-based guessing with auto-learning that updates as it plays. All data, including character traits and game statistic, is stored in lightweight JSON files, make it fast, flexible, and easy to scale. Here's what the game works. You start by mentally picking a character from a visual list. The app then asks you up to 7 yes or no questions about traits. With each answer, it scores how well each character matches using a mix of rules and probabilities. At the end, it either makes its best guess or shows you the top few matches, makes it feel smart and responsive. Thank you. Shruti will take over.
Hello everyone. Let me quickly run you through the demo of this application and what it uses. So first is a character.json where all our characters are stored as a name and the character name and the unique attributes that they have. Considering an example of Harry Potter. Does he have magic? Yes. Does he have fame? No, he doesn't. He's not a human. Does he combat? Yes, he does fight against the villains. Is he a leader? No, he's a team player. Does he have science? No, it's magic. Is he an animal? No, he's not. Is he into Bollywood? Definitely not. Coming back to the game status, it keeps a track of all the replies that the game has given to the user. The main code file, we first import all the libraries that we have used. And then these are the file part. And the very important factor that we have used in our code is the maximum questions. So this is logic that we have used for every n questions that the system can ask. There are n factorial characters possible. But on a realistic, real world scenario, not all n factorial possibilities are a character. Hence, to our best knowledge, we have used only 7 questions for 40 characters to be identified, which are very unique. The next is to load these functions, and then comes our scoring function. The scoring function, which adds +1 for every right answer and minus 0.5 for every wrong answer. This helps the characters by rank by closeness and gives an answer based on the best probable answer, best possible feature rather than just strict matching. After this, the Streamlit UI is set up and the character grid is displayed. The main important part is the questionnaire loop, where maximum number of questions are asked. I mean, all the 7 questions are asked, and based on those answers, a prediction is made. Then, the very important layer that feature that we have added is our teaching mode, where if the system does not give the correct answer, then the user can have the opportunity to teach that this is what my character looks like. Because as we have discussed, there are 7 factorial possible ways as a system can think for 7 questions. Hence, the user can teach along the way if he does not find the answer. And then there's a reset button to start the game again. Let me quickly show a demo of our our, our game. Let's choose a character from here, considering it as um, okay. I'll take Harry Potter. Does the character have magic? Yes, he does. Does your character have fame? No, he does not. Does your character have combat? Yes, he does. Does he is he a leader? No, he's not. Does he is he into science? No. No, not an animal. Into Bollywood, definitely not. Yes, it's Harry Potter, and that's it. That's how the game goes. Thank you so much. Hope you liked it. The next step is to deploy this on an ngrok link, which we'll be doing it shortly.